So let me show you how to set up customer lookup fields. Now, customer lookup fields are pieces of data that allows you to quickly locate and look up a customer at point of sale. For example, first and last name or phone number. All right, so let's go over to System Preferences and we'll go to Local Preferences, Customers, General, right here. So right now, by default, looks like we can look up a customer by last name, by phone, which includes phone 1 and phone 2, and full name, which is first and last name. But we could also include, if we wanted to, the customer ID. So we can just double click to put it above the line. Or we can include company, first name, info, which includes info 1 and info 2, as well as mark, which is mark 1 and mark 2 fields. Now, some people will store in the info and or mark fields miscellaneous ID information. For example, you can put driver's license information there, or you can put a store card number there. So once that information is stored in those fields, you can then use it for lookup purposes. All right, so we'll go ahead and just update this. And let's go to the customer module. Let's pick a customer. So for this customer, Kim, looks like her phone number is 1234444. So we'll use that to look up the customer. And first and last name we see. And notice here in the miscellaneous section, there's the info 1 and 2 and mark 1 and 2. So for example, let's say we put a driver's license number here under info 1. Okay, let's save this. Let's back out. Let's go to a sales receipt. We'll select new. And let's look up that customer. So we'll use this build to customer lookup field. And we'll just type in her last name. Press enter. And notice that's enough information to bring the customer to the receipt. Let's cancel this. We'll do this again. This time, let's use phone number. Again, we can use that to bring up the customer. Let's cancel once more. One more demonstration. Let's say we want to use driver's license information to look up the customer. And remember, I stored that information in the info 1 field. So I'll just type in or scan in the driver's license. Press enter. And again, that brings up the customer. So you have a lot of flexibility to use pretty much any information you want to look up customers at point of sale, so long as you use or define those customer lookup fields in System Preferences.